Program Coordinator, Dean of the Faculty of Law, Mr. Vinod Kumar. Today's chief guest, Justice Chandra Garu, Chairman, Human Rights Commission, Telangana Court President, who also became Senior Advocate 2 days back, Mr. Raghunath, and many others are here. I can name them personally, but keeping the time in view, I would not like to name everyone here. But I thank the organizers for having invited me here on this occasion. It's a proud moment for every Osmanian, because the Osmania University is now conducting this global alumni meet. And a lot of people from other places have come here to participate in this occasion, on this occasion. As far as law alumni is concerned, I have been addressing the law alumni, the law students on several occasions from this very flat platform. But today the occasion is something different, because alumni is meeting as a part of the larger alumni which is being conducted in the Osmania University. And I was asked to speak on the legal profession, how it has grown and how it should be for the newcomer. And people are joining in the law courses by interest, not by default. Earlier, people used to come to LLB in a lighter way, and I am telling not to take so seriously. LLB means license for lodging and boarding, because people to write to civil services, they used to come here not to study law, to prepare for competitive examination, take admission, and then here. This lighter vein remark, once a junior advocate who entered the profession was asked by a senior advocate, but we need good advocates. And today, I tell you, India is the largest producer of advocates community. In Bar Council of Advocates Act 1961, the Bar Council is given right to enroll the advocates, to regulate them, and to regulate their ethical practices also. Section 35 or 35, I just remember. Now, 18 lakhs advocates. This was the figure which I am telling you when I was member of Bar Council of India. Now I think it must have crossed 20 lakhs advocates in the entire country, the largest contingent of lawyers in the entire world. And with this, we have to see that the legal profession has also, legal education also changed its form with the introduction of national law schools, especially Bangalore, Madhav Menon, and our own Bar Council member, then V.R. Rajgopal Reddy. V.R. Reddy, he was the chairman then Bar Council of India, then D.V. Subbarao. These people were, in fact, instrumental to change legal education in this country. They wanted to have a catch them young philosophy. So the catch them young, a 5 years course. Those after completing 18 years are intermediate, they used to come in the legal course. And the first time National Law School Bangalore was a baby child of Bar Council, and it became a hit, it became successful. Now every state has got one national law school, including that of Telangana now, Nalsar, which is number 2 in the entire country as far as education and the standard of education are concerned. Now with this sort of education, now people are entering into the profession, not only profession, but they are entering into the corporate laws. There are companies who are hiring the students of national law universities with 1 crore package per year, per annum. 1 crore package per annum. So that is the demand for the advocates. What I would like to advise the advocates here, those who are in making and those who have already entered, that the advocate profession don't be disillusioned with it. Don't get discouraged with it. So many advocates are there, how can I survive? The advocates the profession is not only going to courts. I remember Justice Ahmadi once said, the lawyers should settle the disputes first in their chambers. If they fail to settle the dispute in their chambers, then come to the courts. That is what Justice Ahmadi has said. And he was the brainchild behind the Bhopal National Judicial Academy. So therefore, once you settle the matter in your chambers, the cost of litigation, the cost of the influx to the court halls, these will all reduce. Now we see a lot of litigation. When I started my practice, after that one family court came in Hyderabad. Now there are 5 family courts in Hyderabad, and all 5 family courts full, nothing. When the Negotiable Instrument Act came, there was only one court designated for it, and now there are hundreds of courts for Negotiable Instrument Act, with special courts, as Manoranjan Complex and all there, here in Hyderabad, and number of cases are increasing day by day, and now the government has introduced commercial courts, where more dispute is, when more than one court is there, you have to go there. So therefore, the laws are increasing, new legislation are coming up. There is a lot of avenues for the advocates to go into these practices. Now, what I would like to advise the young advocates who are here, because I remember Mr. Padmanabha Reddy, senior advocate, who is no more with us, and his son is now judge in High Court of Andhra Pradesh. He used to address, we invited him for addressing the advocates. Then he used to say that there are 3 very important features, important things for which a successful advocate should follow, and they will become successful if these things are followed. One is sincerity towards client and sincerity towards courts. Second is your industrious habit, hardworking. This consultancy, you can go for drafting, you can go for many other things. No, because of globalization, the litigation is now traveling abroad. It is not only confined to our borders. For litigation, our advocates are going to Singapore, for Japan, other places, and we are proud that young advocates are going and settling in arbitration cases. Now, arbitration laws have also been changed, and it is giving a lot of scope for the arbitrators and practice in the arbitration. Arbitration centers are opened in Hyderabad, Gujarat, then Maharashtra, other places, where a lot of industrial disputes and commercial disputes and business disputes are there. So what I would like to say is that legal profession don't not only concentrate on the corporate laws in the high courts and other places, but also concentrate on the original trial jurisdictions, because that is what the foundation is. Today we have good advocates in high court, but for trial you are not able to get good advocates. Those who had earlier training in trial, now their generation is almost getting extinct. So the new generation should also learn trials. Trial is very important because any case foundation is in the trial itself. So therefore, the civil trial, criminal trial, these things are there. Now advocates have a large responsibility in the society also. We have to protect the human rights of the people. We have said that with regard to the alumni. Last time only we had a meeting here. Mr. G.B. Reddy was also there, Mr. Vinod was there, and all were here, Mr. Venkatesh was here. And we assured them that if the alumni block, the PT, it is also the baby of, I can say, the alumni of this college, Mr. A. Narasimha Reddy, Chairman Bar Council of India of Telangana, then he was in Andhra Pradesh, then our Viceroy Prabhakar Reddy, Hotel Marriott owner, because he also was a student from here. Happy New Year and Happy Sankranti, and thank the organizers for giving me this. Thank you very much.